Hello, I'm McKeand, the Strategic Innovation Lead here at CA Technology Services.
Hi, I'm Georgeson. I'm an independent business consultant representing CA Technology. So Al, we're here to talk about Assure today. What is Assure?
Yeah, absolutely. I think in a nutshell, it's about how do we provide customers with consistent peace of mind when it comes to their important operational data that resides on the Cisco Meraki platform, or actually as it's now going to become the Cisco Networking Cloud. And it's really, we've been building this to provide customers with as quicker and as rapid recovery time as possible on that critical data.
I'm a business owner or I'm responsible for providing technology to a business. Why should people pay attention to our Assure service?
The first question I ask customers that gets their attention is, if something happened to your environment today, what would be the plan, what would be the recovery time if everything was gone? And a lot of time customers are saying, well, we don't necessarily have the expertise, we don't necessarily have the live documentation to build from the ground up the environment. So what we've obviously built is not just a software that integrates with the Cisco platform. It's very much an approach of people, technology and processes all blended into one to provide customers with that peace of mind. So first of all, creating that kind of immutable backup. So that's taking a snapshot of their environment, and then any changes they make thereafter, every 10 seconds we're backing it up. So creating this kind of iterated repository of data. Another kind of key aspect is the 24/7 Assure number. So that's a dedicated disaster recovery number for our customers to call. And then also having a service delivery manager wrap around. So not just during the onboarding, the service transitioning, but also during the biannual service proving, which is a core function of the service.
So Al, you've given us an overview on what the service is. So how does it work?
Yeah, no, fantastic question, fundamental question as well. So really what we've done is simplified, as we do with all of the innovation and technology that we create at CA Labs, is built from the kind of ground up a mechanism to integrate with the Cisco networking platform and be able to take that data very, very quickly via the API. So this actually setup can be done in under 30 seconds. We'll start getting that key critical operational data into Assure. And then really after that happens, we're continuing to update it. So every change that the business makes, we're detecting it and backing it up every 10 seconds. So very kind of key part. But the onboarding side is all hands off for the customer. We provide all of the services and the wrapper that's needed to onboard and transition. So I think the other area that I think a lot of customers have fed back to us is that they just love the fact that they're getting increased level of control of their platform. I guess some of the kind of most unique points of the Assure solution. But actually there's a lot more detail about Assure in a recent ebook that we released that's definitely worth a read, and it runs through a lot more detail on exactly how we've actually put together this particular managed service.